What if the thoughts you think shape the reality you experience? What if you've been manifesting, whether you believe in it or not? Let's talk about manifestation. Is it mystical fluff? Or is there real science behind the idea that your mind can influence your world? Manifestation is often painted as wishful thinking. Visualize your dream life and it appears. But beneath the spiritual language, some scientists and psychologists suggest there may be something to it. Let's break it down. Inside your brainstem is a network of neurons called the Reticular Activating System. Its job? To filter reality. You're bombarded with over 11 million bits of information every second, but your conscious brain can only process about 40. So how does your brain decide what's important? That's where intention comes in. Have you ever thought about buying a red car, and suddenly you see red cars everywhere? That's the Reticular Activating System, RAS, in action. By setting a clear intention, you're training your brain to notice things that align with that goal, while filtering out distractions. It's not magic, it's neurobiology. Next, let's talk about neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. Every thought you think reinforces a neural pathway. Repeat a thought often enough and it becomes a default setting, like a groove in a record. So, what happens when you repeatedly visualize success? You're strengthening the neural pathways associated with that outcome. Is this manifestation or mental training? Possibly both. Now here's where things get really weird. The placebo effect proves that belief alone can trigger biological change. Patients have recovered from pain, depression, even surgery, just because they believed they were being treated. So ask yourself, if belief can heal the body, what else can it do? Some manifestation advocates reference quantum physics, saying thought vibrations create reality. But here's the catch. Much of this is a misinterpretation. Yes, at the quantum level, particles behave strangely when observed. But scaling that up to explain vision boards? That's questionable. Still, the idea that perception affects reality? That's worth pondering. So, does manifestation really work? Here's the paradox. If you believe manifestation works, you start acting like it's already true. You focus more, notice opportunities, and build resilience. Your brain literally shifts into alignment. It's not magic. It's psychology, neuroscience, belief, and, perhaps, something deeper we don't yet understand. And let's not forget that placebo effect. Modern imaging studies show that placebos can cause changes in brain activation patterns, especially in areas related to pain processing, emotion regulation, expectation and reward. These aren't small changes. In some cases, the brain's response is similar to actual drug treatments. So, what do you think? Is manifestation just mindset with a makeover? Or is there a universal force responding to your frequency? If this expanded your mind, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. Have you ever experienced manifestation in your own life? Let's keep the conversation going. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We are not medical, scientific, or psychological professionals. Please do your own research and consult professionals before making any life decisions based on the content presented here.